Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a pre-primed 18 by 24 inch canvas. I've got Maiden Black paint that's dry on there already. And if all I do is make a mess to start with, that would be okay with me. This is Dazzling White Metallic Artist Loft. White Metallic and Anita's White Metallic. Dazzling White is the Decoart. I'm gonna put some violet interference in here as well. And maybe some African violet as well. I think it's definitely of interest to me to use the Whispering Wisteria right now. And some of the Dancing Fuchsia. And maybe some more white. I wanted silver. This is Decoart Silver Metallic. I don't use it very often. I can only start with so much paint before I have to decide what I'm going to actually do. And I do want some black in here. And I rediscovered some Anita's Black Metallic, which I'm assuming I could probably find any black metallic in any brand and have it work in a very similar manner. I've been craving the Royal Sapphire, which is right here. I'm definitely going to put some more white in there, but I think the white I'm going to put in might be, let's do it now. Let's have some of the Vivid Intense White. We're just having fun, and I've been waiting to use this African Violet, which is a good companion to that Whispering Wisteria, and I can't remember if I actually said what that was called. Do I want something else? I kind of do. I don't know if I should try it or not. This is Tuscan Sun. Seems like an odd combination. I'm not quite ready for my black, but it's coming. Thinking I might as well give myself permission for whatever it is I want. The Orange Crush I just put down really wants to be added to more white metallic, and it was right next to the alternative white, which was the Vivid Intense. Oh, I heard something crunchy. I don't like crunchy things in my paint. I figure if I start this way, then I can finish by adding some more black. There's that silver. Now, I want to get rid of some of this paint off my... Oh, there's the other silver. I knew I put more than one puddle down. Now it's making me... I'm craving blue velvet for some reason right now. But mostly I want to clean off my spatula. Thank goodness my studio sponge is still wet from yesterday. The last time I used a black canvas, it was matte, as opposed to this, which is shiny. I'm going to pull out some of what's left of my, what I refer to as tangerine. I might go ahead while I'm here and add some more Dancing Fuchsia. still haven't got to that black. Maybe I won't. Now if you find a mark with mixed paint, rather than swiping over that again and making muck, I kind of feel like it might be important to just stop and allow yourself to just use the paint as it is and let it settle. I totally don't like that. I didn't pull out the blue velvet, and I want to. I've got Snapdragon around here somewhere too, but I keep misplacing it. Well, I had some anyway. This is the blue velvet. No real serious idea where I'm going with anything until I've had a chance to play. And I really don't mind. Oh, that was unfortunate. Never mind. Maybe it was fortunate. Putting fingernails and things is not a good thing when it's by accident. Now it's time to pull out the black. The cool thing about the black is that it might sell. And I can also, since I'm not taking anything too seriously today, I can also use my my nail art tool. Okay, there's one big puddle. There's another one. Do I want to wipe off my spatula? I might. I think I will. That's interesting. It's weird not to use gold. Do I want something else? I do. I want a whole bunch of Dancing Fuchsia and maybe some ginger flower as well. I like those little drag marks. They make good texture. I still have something gritty on my spatula. That's not good. I gotta remember, I don't need to fill anything in because I pre-primed the canvas. I only have so long to work because it's dinner time, but I'm having a good time, so hopefully time doesn't go too fast. I feel like maybe a little more Royal Sapphire would be okay. Maybe some Frozen with it. Royal Sapphire. And I'll take a chance not. I used the Frozen yesterday, so hopefully I don't need to shake it too bad. I do want to get some of the paint off there. Alright, it's getting kind of exciting and I'm thinking I like it, but I'm not anywhere near done, so I better decide what's going on pretty quick. Which could include all kinds of things like dribbles. I do like making lines. I like it so much. I'm thinking maybe the yellow. Or maybe more black. Gives so much energy to have these linear things moving through. I think more yellow. Oh, I got a little bit right there. Now I didn't think I was going to swipe that for a second, so that's why I wound up with that. I think I need a small rubber brush. I like that. I might be done. Looks like a flower. I'm thinking maybe some saffron right here. I could put more green in, and I've got pink carnation I haven't used, but I'm really liking what I've got. So maybe I ought to restrain myself just a little bit. Although, right now, I'm thinking this tangerine, which is, by the way, sour lemon with holly berry and dancing fuchsia. I could easily add a little more. Add a few dots. I don't usually drip it right out of the bottle without dipping something into it. Do I love that? Maybe I want some dancing fuchsia with it. I still didn't put any green in. Do I want some? That's the question. And what about this? I think I like that little spiky thing. I wasn't expecting that to stick right hard like that, but it's okay. It seems to have worked itself out. I'm going to use this up. That reminds me, I've got texture tools. Hopefully you can see most of that. Well, if I want to do something else to it, I'll do it tomorrow because I'm pretty well out of time right now. And I'm not sure it needs that much else. Although I definitely, yeah, I'm going to definitely use the nail art tool. Just to add a little interest. I really think there could be some dots, and maybe I want them to be gold dots. Sort of a because I can moment. Although I could put some gold ribbons in there and I probably wouldn't mind that either. I often like gold and silver together. I think that's fun. And I like that little bit of gold. So much so, I might continue it. Come on. Right up there. Because I can. Just using the butt end. Maybe I'll grab some of this black. Where else? Do I need anything else? Not really. Got a lot going on actually. Put a few more up this way. Just using the end of my tool. I've got blue and I like the idea of that. Although it might be too late to use it. Whoopsie. Hope I'm wrong. I think these puddles are deep enough for me to snag some of this tangerine. I didn't think I'd be able to make that mark. Okay, that's basically just me amusing myself for fun, and thank you for joining me. Adding a few little flourishes here and there. That worked out better than I anticipated. Although I could still come back tomorrow and do more. That's awesome. Ha! Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.